Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Doki's Villa. This is Trishna and welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 4 DIY room decor ideas which are really easy to make. You can make them by yourself and keep them in your room or in your home and it looks really beautiful. Okay, so let's see how to make them. DIY you will need a sparkle foam sheet of golden color and I'm cutting out this shape on it. So I'm drawing one small circle and one big circle, then I'm cutting a big half moon from this bigger circle and will draw another circle of the same size of the smaller circle. Then I will draw two small half moons and I will cut all these shapes out as you can see here. Now I will take some jump rings and some chains and I will join all of these together with the help of the jump ring and chain. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the jump ring in by making a hole and then adding chain to it, and this is how I'm gonna join all of them together. You see, this is how it's gonna look after joining all the pieces. Now I'm gonna add some stones to it. So these stones are made from the air dry polymer clay. So I will share the link of the air dry polymer clay video in this description. And I will add this, then I will add a hoop above it, which is a keyring hoop, and then it will become hangable. So for this DIY, I'm using this jumbo ice cream sticks, but you can use the regular ones also. So I will need 7 of these sticks. I have pasted them together. I'm gonna add these clips to it. I'm adding 2 more ice cream sticks to this so that it becomes a bit big. Now I'm gonna put rope on the back side of this so that it becomes hangable. And at the back I'm gonna put 2 ice cream sticks so that it becomes a bit strong. And yeah, it's done. This DIY you will need a plain white fabric and I'm cutting it out in the dimensions of length 35 cm and breadth as 21 cm. I'm cutting it out. Then I'm gonna find the center of this, fold it into half, and then I'm gonna cut it out in a shape of a banner, as you can see here. Now I will mark 1 cm on each side, on all sides of this banner, like this. And I'm gonna fold these sides with the help of a hot glue gun. This is how it's gonna look, and now I'm gonna add a stick to it with the help of hot glue gun, as you can see here. And this is how the banner looks like. Now I have written a wild one on this and I'm gonna do some embroidery to it to fill this wild one code. And this embroidery thing is done by my mother because I'm not good with embroidery. So this is how it looks. This is how you have to do the embroidery. So as you see, this embroidery is being done on this fabric. That's how you have to do this. Now it's done and I'm drawing some cactus randomly on this. And I'm gonna paint this cactus with 2 colors. One is light green and the other one is light pink. So I will paint them randomly with different colors. can see here, I'm drawing cactus. I'm painting it. Right now I'm painting the cactus with green. I'm doing this totally randomly, no idea which I'm going to paint. And then on the leftover cactuses, I'm gonna paint them with pink. It's a light pink color, so you can see I'm painting them now. And then I'm going to add some white dots on these cactuses, which is basically the thorns of the cactus. So as you see, I'm drawing these points on these cactuses, these polka dots. And yeah, you have to add these rope to it so that it becomes hangable, and then it's done. So for this DIY, I'm cutting out a 10 by 10 square from this cardboard sheet, and I will also cut a 10 by 10 square from this black sheet. I will join them together with the help of Fevicol, and I have cutted this ice cream sticks with the side of the boundaries of the frame, and I'm pasting this. Now I will use wood stain, which I made by mixing water in brown color, and I'm putting this wood stain on this ice cream sticks border, and I'm gonna write "be kind" on it. Okay, so I have also drawn a heart in it, but by default it's not shown in the video, but in the picture you can see that. And for this frame, so I have made two frames like this. I have cutted a big heart. I'm using it as a stencil, and I will fill the rest of the sides with the white color. Then I'm going to take out the stencil, and there are some mistakes in this, so I'm going to cover this mistake with the help of black paint. So yeah, and then I'm going to draw a small heart inside this big heart, and again I'm going to paint the border with the help of the wood stain that we made by mixing water and brown color.
Thank you so much for watching. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel and tell in the comment section that how you like the video. Also, if you try anything from these 4 DIYs, let me know on my Instagram page Doki's Villa. Share it with me and I will feature your work on my page. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you.